Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best granite seam filler is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked products for maintaining the pristine appearance of your granite countertops, ensuring that those unsightly gaps between slabs disappear seamlessly, leaving you with a smooth, unified surface that enhances the overall aesthetic of your kitchen or bathroom. Number 5. Instant Install Epoxy Permanent Repair Kit. Introducing the Instant Install Epoxy Permanent Repair Kit. It's designed for quick and lasting repairs on virtually any countertop material. This kit effectively rebonds and rebuilds missing pieces, making chips and cracks disappear. Achieve a seamless finish every time. No more waiting around for repairs to dry. It hardens in just 29 minutes, allowing you to get back to your routine without delay. Easily match your countertop's color using the Easy Tint pigments. This ensures your repair blends in perfectly, maintaining a natural look. Create a super strong, unbreakable bond that lasts. It's perfect for installing slabs or reattaching stones, providing a permanent solution. Enjoy repairs that maintain their color over time. The tinted repairs resist yellowing and discoloration, ensuring a beautiful finish for years to come. What we like. This kit offers a remarkably fast drying time of just 29 minutes, eliminating the need for sanding. If you're looking for a quick, mess-free repair that doesn't require extensive prep work, this is the one for you. Its tintable feature ensures a seamless color match, making it ideal for DIYers who want professional-looking results without the hassle. What people say. It worked amazingly well and has held up like a champ. You can mix multiple color options as well. It is really amazing epoxy. The clear epoxy picks up the color of the marble and travertine and is almost invisible, matching the stone filler used by the factory. Once dried, it easily razors flush for additional concealment of repair. Number 4. Granite and Marble Repair Kit. Easily fix chips, cracks, and fill holes on your countertops and tiles. This kit is designed for seamless repairs on various stone surfaces. Achieve a perfect match with our DIY color tinting system. It supports a wide range of colors, ensuring your repair blends in flawlessly. Our epoxy resin is food-safe, non-toxic, and odorless. You can use it with confidence, knowing it's safe for your home and family. You don't need to be a professional to get a perfect finish. Our product is easy to mix and apply, with clear guidance for a great result. Enjoy a restored surface that lasts. This permanent fix is designed to maintain its quality for at least 10 years, saving you money on replacements. What we like. Prioritizing safety and longevity, this repair kit uses food-safe, non-toxic, and odorless epoxy resin for your peace of mind. If you're concerned about the health implications of repair products or want a fix that lasts for at least a decade, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for kitchens and areas where food preparation occurs, offering a durable and safe solution. What people say. The filler is easy to use and blends well with the granite. It creates a seamless look and effectively hides the seams. The product dries quickly and is very durable. Number 3. RocketGel 25-Minute Professional Epoxy Countertop Kit. This professional-grade epoxy repair kit is your complete solution for fixing chips, cracks, and damage on stone surfaces. It restores countertops to a like-new condition and includes a coloring kit for perfect blending. Designed for multiple surfaces, this kit is perfect for granite and ceramic tile repairs in kitchens and bathrooms. It seamlessly blends with existing materials on floors, walls, and backsplashes. Achieve professional results with its color-matching technology, creating invisible repairs on expensive surfaces. The durable formula bonds permanently and is resistant to heat, water, and household chemicals. Enjoy simple DIY repairs with our step-by-step instructions. This tile crack filler requires no special skills and cures quickly, making home repairs a breeze. Everything you need for successful DIY repairs is included. The kit contains epoxy resin, hardener, color pigments, and a detailed guide for your granite repair project. What we like. This kit provides a professional-grade epoxy solution with advanced color-matching technology for truly invisible repairs. If you're aiming for a high-end, seamless finish and need a repair that can withstand daily wear and tear, including heat and water exposure, this is your go-to. It's designed for those who want their countertops restored to a like-new condition with professional quality results. What people say. With this kit I was not only able to glue the joint together, but color match and dab in the RocketGel. I was easily able to make the joint nearly completely disappear. A little color goes a long way, and it takes enough time to solidify that it can be worked with. Mix the part A and B resins together. Add a bit of color to match your product and spread in place with a putty knife. Allow to dry a bit and remove any residue with a razor. Number 2. Quartz Countertop Repair Kit. Easily fix chips, holes, scratches, and cracks on your countertops. Get a seamless and tight fit that restores the original strength and durability. Available in clear, white, gray, and beige, you can choose the perfect color or mix them to create a new shade. It blends in beautifully for a flawless finish. This kit features a light-cured acrylic resin that cures in just 30 seconds with the included rapid curing device. Quickly restore the flatness and shine of your surfaces at home. Once cured, it forms a solid, marble-like surface that is resistant to pressure, high and low temperatures. Enjoy stable performance with no yellowing, shrinkage, or flaking. No mixing or stirring required. Simply apply it to the damaged area and cure with the rapid curing unit. It forms a dense, hard, and waterproof surface that's easy to clean. This high-quality kit is perfect for quartz, granite, marble, ceramic, porcelain, acrylic, stone, and corian. Save money and time by repairing it yourself. What we like. Experience incredibly fast repairs with this kit's 30-second light-cured acrylic resin. If you need to fix minor damage quickly and efficiently, and value a waterproof, durable finish, this product is ideal. It's perfect for busy individuals or those who want to restore the shine and flatness of their countertops with minimal downtime and effort. What people say. I followed the instructions and was able to get an almost unnoticeable repair on a corner chip and a slightly more noticeable repair from a ding on a flat portion of the countertop. I chose this product because of the light curing in 30 seconds as opposed to hours for epoxy. My counter is an off-white and this comes with several colors. I did some sample tests to get the mix of white and beige correct and it came out great. Everything you need is included in this kit. It really does dry in 30 seconds or even quicker. It was an easy repair. I've used this kit on several different repairs now, chips in a quartz countertop, a crack in an onyx sink, and even a small edge chip from a dropped pan, and I've been impressed with the results each time. The application process is straightforward, and the included tools make it easy enough for someone without much repair experience. Once cured, the repairs feel solid, sand down smoothly, and hold up well through daily use, cleaning, and even water exposure. Number 1. Weiman Granite and Stone Sealer Spray. Keep your countertops and natural stone surfaces looking like new. Protect and seal them with our advanced formula. Without proper sealing, water and soil can penetrate your stone, causing difficult stains. Our sealer provides a protective barrier that repels water and soil. We specialize in effective and reliable stone care. Our formula is gentle, pH neutral, and ammonia-free for safe and powerful protection. Test your stone by dropping water on the surface. If it soaks in or doesn't bead up, it's time to seal or reseal. For best results, use our daily cleaner, weekly polish, and this sealer as needed. Generally, resealing every 6 months keeps surfaces stain-free and looking their best. This versatile sealer is designed for granite, quartz, marble, tile, limestone, and slate surfaces. What we like. This sealer spray offers a gentle yet effective way to protect your stone surfaces, repelling water and soil with its water-based, pH-neutral formula. If you're looking for a safe and easy-to-use product to maintain the beauty of your granite, quartz, or marble countertops and want to prevent stains, this is an excellent choice. It's suitable for regular maintenance to keep your surfaces looking pristine. What people say. This product is a game-changer for DIY countertop repairs. It filled the seams perfectly and dried clear, making them virtually invisible. I was skeptical at first, but this seam filler exceeded my expectations. It's easy to apply and creates a seamless finish that looks professional. Highly recommend for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen countertops. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.